How to clear iPhone cache without deleting apps. Hey everyone, welcome back. In this video, I will show you how can you clear iPhone cache without deleting apps. So let's get started. First, as you have to clear your Safari cache browser. For that, open Settings. From Settings, you'll have to scroll down and tap on Apps. From App section, find out the application Safari. After you find it, tap on that. From Safari, you'll have to scroll down and at the bottom, tap on Advanced. From Advanced, tap on Website Data. From here, tap on Remove all website data at the bottom. Alright, tap on Remove now. After you clear the history and website data, you'll have to just upload the unused app. For that, from the settings section again, tap on General. From General, tap on iPhone Storage. And from here, you'll have to find out those applications that you are not using. After that, simply open that. From there, simply tap on Upload app. Now from here, simply tap on Upload. You can as usual tap on the reinstall app if you use that application. After that, at last you can restart your iPhone. For that, you'll have to press and hold the side plus volume up button, slide to power off and wait for a few seconds and turn it on back. After that, you'll be able to clear your iPhone cache without deleting apps. If you found this video helpful, please make sure to like and subscribe for more videos like this. Thanks for watching. Have a good day.